Where the first step to success is choosing the right digital product idea. But how do you know what's worth pursuing? How do you know if I create this product, people are going to buy it? Well, the first thing you want to do is that you want to look inward. I know you're saying, people always say that, look inward, do what feels good to you. Well, what are you already great at? I know everyone that I hang around, surround myself with, they have great things inside of them. They've done great things, they've accomplished great things, they know so much. So look inward. What are you already great at? And solve a problem. What's something your audience struggles with that you can help fix? Another thing is to also ask yourself, what are people asking you? Like, what do people come to you and say? Charles, how do you do this? Stephanie, how do you do this? Or Elise, how do you do this? How do you get in front of me? I mean, like, I get questions like that literally every other day about something, even if it's from my husband or it's from one of my close friends. Somebody is always reaching out to me, sending me text message because they're asking me questions that they know that I already know. That's letting you know that you are good at something that you can package into a product, because that is solving someone's problem. Now, here's an example of a product that you could create. Like, if you're into the manifestation, or if you're a great, like people, you're very interested in that topic, you do a lot of affirmation. I am known as one of the manifestation queens. My husband, when things happen, he looks at me, he says, "Did you just manifest that?" And I have to go back to whatever I've done, my notes, my journaling, or whatever. And I have to say, you know what, sweetie? I did. I manifested that. And so if you like me, or if you're interested in it and you just love this topic, you could create a manifestation mini course. And this type of course solves a problem like people feeling stuck in life, a lack of clarity on their desires and goals, struggling with self-doubt and limited beliefs, and not understanding the manifestation process. This one product mini course solves these problems for a multitude of different type of buyers out there. So that's just an example of a mini course that you put together. And this mini course that you're seeing here is a digital ebook. So it doesn't really also have to be like videos all the time. This ebook can be broken into many parts that people can consume at different times. So it could be like a 38-page ebook, and you break it into like chapters. So it's not one whole book, if that makes sense. But that would be considered a mini course. You could run this manifestation mini course as an email course, like they get an email every week. You can turn it into videos. You can do videos, ebooks, and worksheets. Like, it can be in different formats to solve a particular problem. Okay. So I just want to share with you like the example of a digital product that you can create in literally a weekend. All right. So here's a pro tip for you. To validate your idea, you can send out a quick poll. This is exactly what I did to my group. I sent out a poll saying that these are 3 topics or master classes that I was thinking about, and I let them put it to a vote. And you can see 53% of them wanted to turn their expertise into income, how to create digital products that sell on repeat. You can also do a poll inside of Instagram in your stories. You can also test like a freebie to gauge people's interest. And what I mean by test some freebie, you could put together like a checklist of steps of creating your digital products. And if I got a lot of people to opt into it, then I can say that that is a great product to create, like to expand on. Instead of giving them checklists, maybe I give them a course on how to do it. For me, one of my most successful freebies for the month of January, which really makes sense, well, for the last month of December and the first couple of weeks of January, was my vision board bingo card templates in Canva. I think that has been downloaded over 109 times so far, which lets me know if I was a person who was interested in teaching vision boarding, or one, I'm taking it that there's a major interest in digital products, especially Canva type digital products. That's how I'm reading it. But if I was to expand it a little bit more, it could be that there's a real increase in interest in vision boarding and how to do that. So I have a lot of clients who are part of the Coach Simplify Academy that are manifestation vision board creators, vision board, spiritual vision boards, et cetera, et cetera. So if you guys are watching, definitely check out that vision board bingo template and see if you can use it, expand on it, and create a course or a series of digital products around it. So heads up, because that's done very well for me. All right, so let's keep going. All right, start with writing down 3 problems your audience faces right now. Now, if you're struggling with this and you're not really sure of like the 3 problems that your ideal audience are struggling with, then I say go to ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT, ask ChatGPT, look, this is my target market. This is what they do. This is what I do. What are some of the problems and challenges that this ideal audience is having? And guess what? Chat is going to spit it out. Yes, it is. So go and do that. So that's your first thing. Start with writing down 3 problems that your audience faces. Get clear on that, and you are on your way to creating a profitable digital product.